Hello, my dear friends. My name is Iniят Ұлдана. My current book is Winnie the Pooh. I think this book is very interesting and meaningful. I think this book is a children's favorite book. The author of this kind is Ellen Alexander Mellon. The main idea of the fairy tale is to find a way out of any situation. The main idea of the fairy tale is that real friends will help you in any business and will never bore you. I advise you to read this book without wasting your time. You will not regret it. Winnie is the main character of the fairy tale. Read a look of books.